Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about two different functions, that is SUBSTR and INSTR. So let's start with SUBSTR. SUBSTR is basically used to extract some characters from a string. We can see how SUBSTR syntax works. So we need to write SUBSTR, that string. Then we will mention a start number from where we wanted to start the extraction. Then length means how many characters we need to extract. Let us see it in practical. Here we are using our old table, that is employee, when we have already worked earlier. So now in this table we can see that we have multiple columns. We will use phone number to check this substr function. So we wanted to extract three number, or you can say three strings from phone number, which will start from 1. That is, it will start from 6 and will extract 3 string. Now as we can see that it extract the initial 3 because we have started from the very first value. Now let us change something in this, and we wanted to fetch from second value. So we can see that it started from 50, and then these 3 value has been extracted from there. We can do one more check, like from the fourth value we wanted to extract. So it is started from first, second, third, and the fourth value here. So from dot it started dot 50. It extracts 3 values. We can also extract value from the reverse direction, means from right to left. To use it, we will use minus. Let us suppose that we wanted to extract 3 values from the right side. So we will use -3. Now here we see that 338 value, 338 from the right side has been extracted. So you can see, you have already seen that how we used substring. Now it turns to INSTR. What INSTR in a string will do? In a string basically tells us about the first occurrence of a string in another string. This is a case sensitive search, so we need to very careful that what kind of value we are putting here. The syntax for INSTR is INSTR, the string that from in which we will find some character, and string 2 that we need to find from the in the first string. So let us go and check how really it works. In the second example, like earlier, we will use this phone number column, and in this we are using two different variables. So this is the right syntax. So we wanted to check that what is the position of one, the first one in this phone number. Here we can see the first two value has zero position, means there is no one value in this column. Then we see here the position is 2, 5, 1. So it is the second position. 1 is at the second position. Now again 5, 1 is there. Here in this example we can see that the position is 5. So if we see it carefully, then it is 603, then dot, then 1. That is the fifth value. So it fetches the exact position of a particular character or a particular element in a particular string. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in another video.